So we're just getting to Aaron's. I'm gonna fix the Mazda today, the caliper. Amazon says that the package is here. Caliper has arrived. Let's see what Aaron thinks. Aaron. Hi, Mr. Aaron. Caliper. Thanks, bye. I don't think he was happy. He said, well, you'll find it in the garbage can. All right, look at Aaron's gorgeous car. And let's see if we can get this thing up and running. All right, back to it. Let's get this caliper changed. So first the car goes up. This thing comes down hard. Ooh, super hard. Okay, we are secure. Ooh. Game over. All right. This thing's sitting in a pot of oil now. Great. Super awesome. Exactly what we needed. The caliper, the piston. Yeah.
We blew it out.
We blew at the piston yesterday. And this is the thanks we get. This is the thanks we get. All right. We'll have to just use the ratchet. Let's get our trusty seat in here. Well, that doesn't have to come off anyways. Good to know. Cool. Now that's held on by that, so we just need pliers or something to grab and pull it with. So we got some pliers. We're gonna try and pull the handbrake wire off. Okay. Success. Success, success, success. Okay. We got our wrenches. We got the new part, which is obviously a very amazingly OEM part. It's not OEM. Amazon. Amazon is the best. So, new caliper. New caliper shows that that just presses on from the back, thus meaning that it should just pull out? I don't know. We always got to pull out. And then the new one seems to attach right there. So, let me get the handbrake out before I start playing with the next thing. It's not the cable head. The cable head came out. It's the mount. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. I'm getting attacked by a wasp right now. Great. Come on, wasp. All right, guys. So, it's been a long day. Camera died. Microphones died. Battery packs for the impact guns died. Car back together. Thank God. We're back together in the back. We had some oil leakage, so we have some absorbent down. New caliper, new brakes, new pads, new suspension, new link, new table, new vent. Next cap on the way, should be here in 2 days. New link, new brakes, new pads, new suspension. Was this worth it? We don't know. But is this car fully running and mechanically sound now? Yes, it is. Now, we have done a clamp job to patch the exhaust on the VR6. So now we're hoping and praying that the exhaust job worked. I mean, it's late now, guys. It's 8 o'clock at night. Been going since 3. What's that, 5 hours? 5 hours. Honestly, if we had a lift, if we had a shop, if we had tools, it would go a lot quicker. We don't have these things. We're working with what we got, and what we got is this driveway, and thank God I have a friend like Aaron. Honestly, I don't know what I would do without Aaron right now. Aaron has every tool possible in that truck, every tool possible in this house. He is the biggest help and the best friend anyone could ever ask for. I owe him everything right now. And without him, I couldn't do this. I really couldn't. I would be paying a mechanic to do it. There'd be no profit to be made. And yeah, so guys, all of us need to, first, you need to be grateful for the friends you have. And second off, everyone like and subscribe and leave a lot of comments of how great Aaron is and how you all wish you had a friend like him. So that's it. Mazda 3 completely repaired and ready for sale. Guys, that has been another frustrating episode of Scott's Lot. We'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Guys, it really helps us. We're a new channel. It really helps us. So please, like and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.